Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here for 10-minute trades, and we've been making money trade after trade in our cash account. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I was feeling on the PCE price index. It was a very important report. The markets were watching it very carefully. So I was trading bonds, and I expected a breakout to work. We put our orders on the chart 2 seconds before the news came out, and you can watch the bonds explode to the upside. This is a trade in our cash account. It's going to hit my second target. I was trailing my stop, and actually, I'll take that back. I trailed my stop. It pulled back to my second target, and we made a profit of over $300 in that trade. It was very fast. The price shot up. It was in our cash account. Watch again. It almost hit that second target. Then it pulls back, hits my trail. So the idea with a trailing stop is to try and grab as much of the target as possible if the price pulls back. That's what it did. So I got about double my first target. And that was a profit of over $300 on the trade. It was an excellent breakout. Virtually every member in the trade room made money on that trade. Almost every instrument broke out. In other words, most instruments burst to the upside. Gold burst to the upside. The bonds burst to the upside. The NQ moved 400 ticks on that trade. It was an excellent breakout. That was the way we really suggested it should be traded. And that's the way most of our members traded it. So PCE price index, an excellent, excellent winning trade in a collection of many winning trades that we had this week. We had Meta earnings. We had Google, Microsoft, Intel earnings. Lots of great trades. Flash manufacturing, German flash manufacturing. Way more winners than losers this week. We made more than $2,000 profit in the trade room on our cash account this week. Excellent, excellent trading week. You need to join with us so I can teach you how to do it. And you can trade these trades in your evaluation prop accounts if you so choose. So you just have to make sure you choose the right company. Some companies have strict rules. We love these breakouts when the reports are appropriate for that type of an event. And today's PCE price index was a great breakout. Across the board on almost every instrument. Bonds for us, a real nice winner. I'll see you in the trade room, everyone. Lee Goldstein for 10-minute trades.